Game.
Yun na nga, sir. Ayaw daw nila, sir, because they still have an opportunity to file an MR, pending final resto.
Well, I have information that the TRO just been released. Nagpakuha na. Ayun na. Kaka-release lang ngayon. Once the TRO is released, that takes effect immediately. Of course, the TRO imposes certain conditions, and therefore those conditions will have to be complied with first, no, before the parties can exercise their rights.
What if the executive is adamant, sir, to not honor the TR?
Well, I hope it will be realized, no, that this TRO was issued after a full court deliberation where 13 justices of the Supreme Court participated. There were concurring votes, there were dissenting votes, and it has to be accepted and respected. That is our rule of law. The courts are here to settle actual controversies, and this is the order of it.